Hey guys, welcome back to Ranger Survival and Fieldcraft. I'm Andrew, and what I have for you today is the Cody Lundin Mini Survival Kit. Stick around. Alright guys, so Cody Lundin's Mini Survival Kit. These are the items that he carries on his neck knife, or a mini kit that he recommends and has carried before, okay? The components are going to be, obviously, a knife right here. All I have is a clipper, a cheap, easy knife to use. And I actually use this knife and prefer this knife when I'm skinning large game during hunting season. Non-lubricated condom is going to be another component. A lighter that is brightly colored. Now, in the book, 98.6 Degrees, The Art of Keeping Your Fourth Point of Contact Alive, Cody Lundin recommends the type of lighters that you can adjust the flame with to get a larger flame, obviously for a quicker burn, and then more flame behind that burn. But I just have a Bic lighter right here, very cheap, easy to use, and I'm going to go with this because it's the brightest one of the bunch today when I stopped at the convenience store. And then he also calls for a brightly colored whistle. This is just a simple Fox 40 micro whistle, and then a small LED flashlight, like a little button pen flashlight, okay, on a string. That's going to be the string that's going to hold this kit up, okay? So let's go ahead and throw this together and we'll bring you in for a close-up. All right, as you guys can see, I have all my components right here. Now, in the book and as part of the kit, anytime you see Cody wearing this kit, he's got yellow duct tape that is holding this kit together. And so I'm going to use yellow duct tape. The reason being is that it is obviously highly visible. So in the kit, he's got the lighter on the front hanging down. And so what I'm going to do, I'm going to reverse wrap this duct tape around a little bit. And this is going to give me a sheath for which I can actually access this lighter, okay? Because I want to have access to it, and you can see I can push it up and down, and then as I bring it up a little bit on the sheath itself, it tightens into place, okay? So I'm going to get one more strap here, and I'm going to go over the top, if I can avoid catching myself with this tape here. So I'll go over the top of the lighter again to kind of create that sheath. All right, as you guys can see. And then now all I have to do is add my condom on the back side, which is where he carries it, and then I can still access this lighter if I need to. I'm going to leave a little bit hanging out on the bottom here so I can actually grab it. And then I'm just going to choke up a little bit on this, and as I wrap, this will get a little bit tighter and easier to use, okay? So with this, I'm going to try to condense it down a little bit so it'll fit on my sheath nice and easy like that. And that's perfect. This doesn't need to be, I'm not winning an art project here, but this will be the component of the kit. The one thing I would add to this would be a single or a couple of iodine tablets for the condom itself. With the condom, you can get approximately 1 US quart or 1 liter of water in this from a water source, but you have to have a little bit of pressure behind that water to actually fill up the condom, it being rubber, okay? But I would add a iodine tablet or two for the methods of purifying that water. In the book, Cody doesn't mention that necessarily. It's more of a implied thing. And then I'm just taking my highly visible duct tape and I'm wrapping this around tightly, trying to cover this up as much as possible, and then wrapping it up to the top. And I'm going to go up a little bit further than this just to kind of get a little bit of purchase, and I think that's good right there, okay? And then that is the portion of the survival kit that is most noticeable, obviously, with the yellow tape, and I can still get this lighter out. and just push it out a little bit, get it out if I need to in an emergency, and then put it right back into the sheath, okay? And then now all I have to do is take my whistle and my LED. The LED I've wrapped yellow tape around as well to make it highly visible in case I drop it, and then the whistle is highly visible itself, which is something Cody recommends in his book. And then just clip it on the sheath itself, and I've made the Cody Lundin mini survival neck kit, okay? Hey guys, I hope you liked that video. A quick video on how to make and what goes into Cody Lundin's mini survival kit or his neck knife kit. If you like that video, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Leave me a comment in the comment section. I thank you for your likes, your views, your subscriptions, your comments, your feedback, and your shares. And I'll be back with another awesome video just as soon as I can, guys. Thanks.